Good, good night. My name is Juan Carlos Mendez, student of an industrial engineer. English A291111112A. Unit 2, Task 4, Oral Production. Video display review interview. The question: where are you going to travel? I will be traveling in December. What city, place are you going to visit? I will visit the city of Medellin. I will go to Pueblito Paisa y Parquelleras. Where are you going to stay? I will stay at a friend's house. What are you going to wear? I will make the trip Milan English. I will bring bread from Bogota that they love. Who are you going to invite to the travel? I will take my wife down here and my dog. What activities will you do in that place? I will go to Comuna 13, visit swimming pools, eat a lot, ride the subway and the metro cable. How much money will you spend toward? I plan to make 1 million pesos, which be because my friends is hosting me for free. Will you bring me survivors from your vacations? Of course, I will be buy coffee sometime in Hueco, which is the San Andresito of Medellin, where you can fit clothes and accessories. My plan the visit in Medellin. Thank you very much. Good night.